Grandma. Hello. Hello. Yes. Are you talking to Grandma? Yeah? No, don't look at her. You can look at her because she's looking at the camera, but talk to me. You don't like that noise. What's this in here? You've been in here before? If we change your nappy, we're going to have to change it in the nut hut, aren't we? Because it's too cold to expose the bits. Wind outside, isn't it? Hey, gorgeous girl. Oh, that's a funny noise. Oh. Oh. Uh-huh. Hey, Curly.
Why is she curly?
That came into my head. Chris came for supper last night, just on a whim. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Come on, love.
Well, just let me finish my coffee, and then we'll go and sort you. Yeah.